Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Novel Crafter, Claude, and Sudowrite. If you are a writer in 2026, you've probably noticed something interesting. Writing is no longer just about skill or creativity anymore. It's also about tools that you use. But here's the real question. Which one actually helps you write better stories and which one is just hype? Let's find out. We start with an overview of each one. First, Claude. It's the all-purpose writing assistant. Claude is developed by Anthropic. Now, Claude is not specifically built for novel writing. Instead, it's a general AI assistant, meaning you can use it for writing stories, for editing drafts, for brainstorming ideas, for summarizing research. You can even use it for coding and business writing. And what makes Claude powerful is that it has natural human-like writing tone. It has strong memory with long conversations. There's ability to understand context deeply, and the responses are usually clean and structured. So when writers use Claude, they're usually treating it like a writing partner, not a dedicated novel tool. Next, let's talk about Sudowrite. Sudowrite is built specifically for fiction writers. Sudowrite is like having a creative writing assistant sitting beside you, helping you expand scenes, rewrite paragraphs, and adding emotional depth, overcoming writer's block, brainstorming plot twists, and it's powered by fiction-focused AI models that is designed for storytelling. Where Sudowrite really shines is creativity. If you write a sentence, it can instantly turn it into a detailed scene, it can add sensory descriptions, or even generate multiple story directions. It's extremely beginner-friendly and very fast. Next is Novel Crafter, the story builder system. Novel Crafter is very different. It's not just an AI writer, it's a full novel organization platform with AI built in. Its biggest feature is something called the Codex. This is basically a story Bible system where you can store characters, locations, lore, wardrobes, and plot points, and the AI automatically pulls that information when generating text. Now let us talk about the main features of each platform. First, Claude. It has natural conversational writing, it has long context memory, it is great for editing and rewriting, it works across many writing tasks, and there are no built-in novel structure tools. How about Sudowrite? AI-powered story expansion. You can rewrite, describe, and brainstorm. It's a writing engine that is fiction-focused. It has fast drafting support and character and scene enhancement as well. And for Novel Crafter, it has a Codex story Bible system, scene with chapter organization, full novel planning tools, custom AI model integration, world building database, and strong consistency for long stories. Now, what are the pricing of these platforms like? With Claude, there's a free version which is very limited. There's a Pro plan which costs $17 per month when billed annually, and there's a Max plan which costs $100 per month when billed annually. For Sudowrite, there's a hobby and student plan at $10 per month. There's a most popular plan which is the professional plan at $22 per month, and a Max plan at $44 per month. Now these are prices when you want to pay yearly, which gives you up to 50% off. But if you do a monthly payment, the prices jump up. And for Novel Crafter, there is a scribe plan at $4.3 per month, a hobbies plan at $8.6 per month, an artisan plan at $15.05 per month, and a specialist plan at $21.5 per month. Now, if you do an annual payment, they give you 2 months off of the payment. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Claude, is extremely smart and flexible. It has great writing quality and handles many tasks beyond fiction. The pros of Sudowrite is best for creative writing flow, is excellent for overcoming writer's block. It is very beginner friendly and has strong storytelling suggestions. And the pros of Novel Crafter is best for long form novel planning, has powerful world building system which is the Codex, highly organized workflow, and flexible AI model integration. How about the cons? For Claude, no story structure tools, and there's no built-in novel workflow. The cons of Sudowrite, it might be expensive for heavy writers, and there's somehow less control over the structure. And the cons of Novel Crafter, the learning curve is steep, and the setup takes time. So having considered all this, the pros and cons and the features, which one should you actually choose? Well, here's a honest breakdown. If you want a simple AI writing partner that can help you write anything, not just fiction, then Claude is your best option. If your goal is to write fast, to stay creative and beat writer's block, then Sudowrite is the strongest choice. But if you're working on something serious like a novel series, a fantasy world, or long structured storytelling project, then Novel Crafter is the most powerful system overall because it keeps everything organized and consistent. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Scrivener, Notion AI, and Writer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.